So that's the first section. I'm going to do my best with this one. It's kind of it's actually detuned. I think he might be in drop D for this because later in the song you can hear some lower notes coming out. But this is what I got for it so far, and I'll do the B section as well in a little bit. So I'm going to start with an F shape here. So your index on the first fret of the low E, your ring finger on the third fret of the A, pinky third fret of the D, and then your middle finger on the second fret of the G. And you're going to pluck with your thumb. So you're plucking E, A, and then I use middle finger to pluck G, index to pluck D. And then this next chord, I'm playing it like a super crazy way because it's, like I said, I think this is detuned, but I'll show you an another option for this because this is really weird. So that's middle finger, 5th fret of the low E, pinky, 7th fret of the A, index way back here on 3rd fret of the D, and then ring finger on 5th fret of the G. Right? So I know that's really hard. So you could also just go like this. So you're going to pluck the A string, set your middle finger down on the 2nd fret of the D, and then pluck with your ring, set your ring finger 3rd fret of the D, pluck again, and then your index finger set up here on the 1st fret of the B. Alright, so instead of, you could just do, right? Alright, now we're going to go to this chord, this diminished chord. So your middle finger sets down 4th fret of the A, ring finger right here on 5th fret of the D, pinky 5th fret of the B, then your index back here on 3rd fret of the G. And I think what I'm doing for that is thumb A, thumb D, and then index and middle on the G and the B. Alright, so here's what we got so far. Sorry. Right? And then D minor 7. Alright, so D minor 7, you just bar across the high E through the A on the 5th fret, and then your middle finger sets down on 6th fret of the B, ring finger 7th fret of the D. So thumb A, thumb D, and then index, middle, index. Alright, so let's try that again. Alright, then we're going to go into this section. So that's pretty simple, just a bar across 3rd fret, and then I'm plucking just the low E, and then you're going to pluck, jump your thumb down to the D, and you do a trill across the D, G, B, and the high E. So you're going to trill up, so your ring finger's sitting up here on 5th fret of the high E. Alright, so you got one more time. Then you've got, so that's same concept, just barring across the 3rd fret of the A, D, G, and B. And you're just plucking thumb on A, thumb on D, index and middle again. and then we're going to go to this. So middle finger, 3rd fret of the A. Index finger is going to bar across the 2nd fret of the D, the G, and the B. And your ring finger is going to set down right here on that 3rd fret of the G. And again, you're doing a trill, thumb, index, middle, ring. All right, so all that. Then when you go into the verse, I think he just goes right to this chord. He doesn't do this one leading into that chord. He just goes right into that chord. So whoops. Just right to that chord. All right, so the B section is going to start here. And then back into verse. All right, so we're starting on this B flat major 7 chord. So index, 1st fret of A, ring is 3rd fret of D, middle 2nd fret of G, pinky 3rd fret of B. So you're going to pluck thumb, index, middle, and ring, and then do a little hammer pull. Or not pull, you just pluck, hammer, and then let off and pluck again with that pinky finger. Then you're going to go to B flat minor 7. All right, again, thumb, index, middle, and ring. And then a little pinky walk down, 4th fret, 3rd fret, and then let off pinky. So you got one more time. All right, then we've got A minor 7. So middle finger, 2nd fret of the D, index, 1st fret of the B. And I think it's kind of nice to, so you do A, D, B, G. So thumb, thumb, middle, index. I think that's a good way to do it. So you're going to do just a little hammer and then pluck on the high E string. And then we got a D7. So, and this is where I was definitely hearing like a low open sounding D, not you know, standard D. So same concept, you do thumb, index, middle, and ring, D, G, B, and high E. Then you're going to plug thumb and index and just walk that note up on the G from 2nd fret to 3rd fret to 5th fret. All right. And then again, those 2 chords. So I'm kind of just sort of adding my own flavor to these plucking patterns. the same. But yeah, so those are the two sections. But yeah, let's run that second section one more time here. Back into verse. All right, so hopefully that was helpful for you. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.